बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स मैं शेयर करूँगी वो जॉब्स आई थी डॉन संडे 8 अक्टूबर 2023 के अखबार में। तो मैनेजमेंट की जॉब्स हैं ये। एक्सपोर्ट मैनेजर रिक्वायर्ड फॉर ट्रेडिंग हाउस लोकेटेड ऑन चंद्रीगढ़ रोड शुड हैव proven track record of minimum 10 years in export of conventional and non-conventional exports, must have excellent command over English and internet marketing, congenial environment with growth potential, attractive salary. Apply with full details of past experience to email alwaysbusiness171@gmail.com. alwaysbusiness171@gmail.com. Assistant manager/manager marketing required for a well-reputed textile mill, must have adequate experience. Send CV at textile.export.2023@gmail.com. पैसिफिक मल्टी प्रोडक्ट्स ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है आदम जी ग्रुप आ लीडिंग इंडेंटिंग कंपनी सीकिंग अ हाईली मोटिवेटेड सेल्स मैनेजर इन टेक्सटाइल प्लास्टिक्स एंड केमिकल रॉ मटेरियल्स इंडस्ट्री. The candidate should be a business graduate with proven working experience of sales in textile chemicals. The candidate should possess strong communication, negotiation and interpersonal skills, including indenting knowledge. Apply today at hr@adamgglobal.com. People who are looking for career have opportunity, male/female, fresh/experienced, required with minimum qualification, intermediate, can apply. saeedshirzaman5@gmail.com. मोबाइल नंबर है 0316314828 0316314828. A leading distribution company urgently requires assistant manager. Warehouse candidate should be graduate, computer literate and possess organization and management skills with 2 to 3 years of relevant experience in warehouse and logistics management. Please send resume along with recent photograph to jobcv1122@gmail.com. An export oriented women textile made-ups factory located at Karachi is looking for a factory manager for production and factory operations. Must have 10 plus years relevant experience. Market competitive salary. Perks company maintained car with fuel. Send your resume at applyforproduction@gmail.com. मार्केटिंग की जॉब है रियल एस्टेट मार्केटिंग कंपनी हायरिंग एक्सपीरियंस मेल/फीमेल स्टाफ. सैलरी प्लस कमीशन. लोकेशन सेंट्रल प्लाजा. सेंड CV at 0345230741 0345230741. Required a social media marketing expert who can run and monitor social media advertising campaigns on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. 0331210799 0331210799. Tele sales marketing staff required qualification BA MA experienced minimum 5 years. Call center experienced person preferably. 031033300162 031033300162. एक और मोबाइल नंबर है 0310316234 0310316234. मेडिकल की जॉब्स हैं. डॉक्टर आयशा हेल्थ विजन हॉस्पिटल बहादुराबाद रिक्वायर्स एंड experienced and licensed holder. Contractor for pharmacy/mini mart and also needs a person for the canteen. Contact 0341220527 0341220527. Dr. Tausif Amin's medical course for USMLE HAADDHA MOH MCCEEAMC FCPS MRCP. मोबाइल नंबर है 032282711518 032282711518. Experienced male/female physiotherapists are required. Fresh individuals can also apply. Share your CV at info@smile.com.pk. WhatsApp number 033354208444 033354208444। एक और मोबाइल नंबर है 0300200810 0300200810। फैकल्टी एंड स्टाफ रिक्वायर्ड फॉर शेड हॉस्पिटल। Number 1 manager IT having hospital related experience is must. Number 2 manager pharmacy form D having sound experience 5 years. Number 3 pharmacy technician having 2 years hospital related experience bracket में लिखा हुआ है all shifts. Number 4 night admin officer having 2 years hospital experience. Number 5 lab and blood bank manager having 3 years experience. Number 6 X-ray technician bracket में लिखा हुआ है night shift having 2 years experience. Number 7 female RN nurse with general nursing valid PNC having 3 years experience must. Number 8 receptionist for all shifts bracket में लिखा हुआ है hospital experience must. Number 9 required what 8 bracket में लिखा हुआ है male/female for all shifts. Send resume at hr@chatfoundation.org.pk/whatsapp 033321184740 033321184740 Haroon-Fareed FAREED@yahoo.com। WhatsApp नंबर है 0300293443 0300293443। Gynecologist MBBS FCPS and MRCOG at least 2 to 3 years experience in gynecology and obstetrics for morning shift. Male/female anesthesiologist MBBS FCPS/MCPS/DA for morning shift and on call basis. Female RMO for NICU MBBS bracket 2 to 3 years experience in nursery bracket close for all shifts. Male/female NICU technician/general nurse for all shifts preferably 2 to 3 years experience in nursery Bakht Bhari Chinute Hospital Azam Town DHA 1 Karachi। फ़ोन नंबर 35382215 35382215। एक और PTCL नंबर है 35388524 35388524। एक और मोबाइल नंबर है 0300217833 0300217833। ईमेल bbch_786@hotmail.com। Kharadar General Hospital requires application for following positions: consultant ophthalmologist, FCPS having 5 years post fellowship experience. Sonologist bracket में लिखा हुआ है female 2 PM to 7 PM having at least 2 years experience. nursing instructor bracket में लिखा हुआ है full time. BSc bracket में लिखा हुआ है nursing having 3 years teaching experience. A tertiary care and postgraduate teaching and training center recognized by CPSP, PMDC and PNC. Please forward CV to HR department at Kharadar General Hospital, Aga Khan Road, Kharadar, Karachi। फ़ोन नंबर 32510113 32510113 2116 extension 173। email kgh.hospital@gmail.com kgh.hospital@gmail.com। required female sonologist and female gynecologist ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है मॉर्निंग शिफ्ट फॉर ए हॉस्पिटल इन कोरंगी। ईमेल cvhopekarachi@gmo@gmail.com। मेंशन पोजीशन इन द सब्जेक्ट लाइन। कॉन्टैक्ट 0213223930 0213223930। एक और PTCL नंबर है 0213224389 0213224389। Required hospital administrator for a charitable hospital at Numaish 5 to 7 years experience in hospital administration. Email cvhopekarachi@gmo@gmail.com। mention position in the subject line. Contact 0213223930 0213223930। एक और PTCL नंबर है 021322438889 02132243889. Required male doctor (morning/evening shift) email cvhopekarachi@gmail.com. Mention position in the subject line. Contact 02132239930, 02132239930. एक और PTCL नंबर है 02132243889, 02132243889. Sonologist needed at well reputed general hospital in Gulistane Johar, block 15 for evening time from 6 to 9 pm on percentage basis. Interested person can contact 0300 3774836, 0300 3774836. Email mrdoc20@hotmail.com, mrdoc20@hotmail.com. The Lady Dufferin Hospital, one of the largest women's hospitals of Pakistan, having 300 beds and specializes in obstetric, gynecological and neonatal pediatric services. The hospital seeks to hire for the following positions: experienced sonologist MBBS with 5 years of relevant experience in a reputable hospital. Duty timings are from 11 am to 3 pm Monday to Saturday close. Internal audit officer, preferably female, partly qualified ACCA/CA/ACMA or bachelor's degree/MBA with at least 2 years of audit experience, preferably in healthcare sector. Please apply at careers@ladydufferinhospital.org and mark the position in subject title. Urologist, general surgeon and gynecologist में लिखा हुआ है no obstetrics at OMI Hospital Karachi, MCPS/FCPS/FRCS/MRCOG/MS candidates with completed training can also apply. info@drimtiazahmed.com. WhatsApp 03333611228, 03333611228. A renowned diabetes hospital, Bakai Institute of Diabetology and Endocrinology, requires number 1 OPD support doctor में लिखा हुआ MBBS, number 2 PGRMO FCPS part 1 past 2 years contract close, number 3 pharmacist D-Pharm/B Pharm license holder close, number 4 IT personnel student or graduate BS computer science experience in LA and environment. Handling of CCTV close apply to plot 1 to 11B, Nazimabad, number 2 Karachi. Email hr@bide.edu.pk, hr@bide.edu.pk. Health Link Consultant Clinic require hospital administrator, consultants, medicine, surgery, gynae, peds, dermatology, ENT, orthopedic, pharmacist, female nursing staff. Cell number 03333679790, 03333679790. एक और मोबाइल नंबर है 033225140950, 033225140950. Address Bilal Town, Jama Millia Road near PSO petrol pump. Interview 9 am to 12:30 pm. Multiple male/female accounts manager/assistant for import business. Number 2 logistics manager/assistant having knowledge in Gulf countries. Job 32277@gmail.com, job 32277@gmail.com. 03330131540, 03330131540. An engineering company requires number 1 electrical engineer, number 2 years experience, number 2 mechanical engineer, number 3 electrical engineer 2 years experience, number 2 mechanical engineer 3 years experience, number 3 electrical costing and BOQ executive, number 4 structural engineer, design engineer, mechanical 4 years experience, able to calculate load of metal structures with wind load etc. Number 5 Senior Electric Site Supervisor number 6 DAE Electric, number 7 DAE Mechanical, number 8 Corporate Sales Manager, number 9 Sales Coordinator. Email CV aslam786 engr@gmail.com. WhatsApp CV 0334 555 8919 0334 555 8919. Office in DHO Defence Main Etihad. Requires number 1 Customer Service Representative, number 2 Tele Sales Representative. Must be able to speak fluently in English with good computer skills. WhatsApp CV 0303 777 4247 0303 777 4247. Required multiple vacancies / for healthcare staff, nurses, physicians, pharmacists, dentists, orderlies, social community workers and patient service associates. ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है वर्क परमिट असिस्टेंट, ब्रैकेट क्लोज. कॉन्टैक्ट 0300 2801012 0300 2801012. linkedin.com/in/providence-group, email providencegroup.org@gmail.com. A well-established and professional organization situated in Defence 8 DHA requires following male and female staff for establishing and running media and production house. Number 1 digital marketing expert, number 2 IT expert, number 3 photographer, number 4 administrator, number 5 technician, number 6 web developer, number 7 SEO specialist, number 8 graphic designer /auditor, 9 social media expert, 10 content writer, Facebook ads expert, 12 YouTube expert, number 13 Google PPC expert, 14 audio video mixer and editor. Interested candidate may send their CV with recent photograph on ask@gmail.com. ask@gmail.com. Persons with multi-talent will get preference. Persons with multi-talent will get preference. ISO 9001:2008 certified engineering firm services for oil and gas fields. Urgently required following personnel, preferably computer literate. Number 1 accountant, bracket male/female, bracket close, experience 5 to 10 years, inventory handling, e-filing with FBR/SPR, sales tax, income tax, payroll and accounting software. Computer knowledge is must, should have at least 5-year experience. Number 2 storekeeper, having 3 to 5 year experience. Must be experience in cash book and parties ledgers control, maintaining inward outward inventory ledger, etc. Interested candidates may send their CVs on hrengrs15@gmail.com, latest by 16th October 2023. Staff required. A leading export company is required staff for accounts and export department. Number 1 chief accountant, ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है ACCA. नंबर 2 सीनियर अकाउंटेंट, ब्रैकेट में MBA. नंबर 3 एक्सपोर्ट मैनेजर, MBA. एक्सपीरियंस रिक्वायर्ड इन एक्सपोर्ट कंपनी फॉर अबव जॉब्स फ्रॉम 8 to 10 years. काइंडली सेंड CV MMBrewpak@gmail.com MMBrewpak@gmail.com. Required experience professional male/female accountant and bookkeeper for our DHA Karachi office. Please furnish CV at given email address. appenterprises@gmail.com. appenterprises @gmail.com. सेल्स की जॉब है. सेल्स एग्जीक्यूटिव, ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है फीमेल, हु कैन डू टारगेटेड सेल्स एंड मेक न्यू अकाउंट्स. अट्रैक्टिव सैलरी पैकेज. मिनिमम 2 years sales experience. Send your CVs on WhatsApp 0330 124 3957 033012433957. A multinational company requires a global sales and product manager with a commercial and technical experience of 5 years in the sale of textile chemicals and products used in textile printing and application technology. Bracket conventional and digital bracket close. The applicant should hold a diploma or degree in textile engineering, preferably with an additional qualification of a bachelor or master degree in marketing and business administration. Bracket BBA or MBA bracket close. The position is based in Karachi with local and global outreach in sourcing, procurement and sale of textile printing chemicals and products. The position is highly demanding and specific to the expertise of the field as stated above. Only those who meet the above criteria need to apply in confidence latest by 17th October 2023 at hussain5tawfiq@gmail.com, hussain5tawfiq@gmail.com or WhatsApp 0336850598, 0336850598. Petroleum based company required a smart lady for indoor office work as a post of sales executive. Handsome salary package. Education minimum intermediate. Location Tariq Road, Karachi. Send on CV WESCO_I@yahoo.com, 033202058888, 033202058888। सेक्रेटेरियल की जॉब्स हैं। रिक्वायर्ड फीमेल PA/secretary to director of trading house on Chandigarh Road. Age maximum 35 years. Should be hard working, fluent in English, capable to operate laptop and command at doing Google search. Minimum 10 years experience. Preference to candidates living near Clifton Defence, Chandigarh Road area. Congenial working environment. Salary commensurate with experience. Send detailed CV and photograph to email alwaysbusiness171@gmail.com, alwaysbusiness171@gmail.com। जी, तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो। अगर मेरी वीडियो आप लोगों को पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफिज़।